Good morning, students. Now today we are going to discuss about center of mass of thin uniform rod. Let us consider thin uniform rod of mass capital M and L is the length of thin uniform rod. How we have to find out the center of mass of thin uniform rod? We can use the concept of center of mass. So let us consider center of mass of thin uniform rod. Let us consider thin uniform rod. Let us consider thin uniform rod of mass M and length L. Coordinate having this point 0, 0 and at this point 0, L. Consider small element at a distance x from the origin. Now, mass of this element, M be the mass of the rod and capital L be the length of the rod. So mass per unit length M divided by L. Mass of small element, dm, that is equal to M mass of rod divided by the length of rod multiplied by dx. Now center of mass xcm, that is equal to 1 by m x into dm and limit 0 to L. Therefore 1 by m x into dm, putting the value of dm, m divided by L into dx, 0 to L. Now m cancel out. Now 1 by L common, integration of x with respect to dx. So x square divided by 2, 0 to L. This can be written as 1 by L into L square divided by 2 minus 0. LCL cancel out. The x coordinate of center of mass, that is equal to L divided by 2. So center of mass of this rod lies at the mid of this length, that is L divided by 2. So whole mass of this thin uniform rod is concentrated at point L by 2. Now y coordinate of this thin uniform rod, y coordinate, that is equal to 0. Next one is, what is angular momentum and what is torque? Torque. Meaning of torque. Torque means turning effect producing the body, that is called torque. Or we can say that the force which produces rotational effect in the body, that is called torque. Or we also say that the moment of force that is also called torque. So torque, we can say turning effect. Produced in the body called torque. Expression for torque. Expression for torque. Let us consider particle. Let us consider particle lying in xy plane. This is the position vector lying in xy plane having position vector r. F will be the force applied on this particle at point P. F will be the force applied on this particle at point P, making an angle theta with position vector. Making an angle theta with position vector. Draw perpendicular from point Q. Draw perpendicular from point this is F sin theta. Perpendicular component of force. If we extrapolate this force and meet this point, this is 90 degree. This angle is theta degree, and this is r sin theta, that is r perpendicular component. R perpendicular component. Now torque, we will get cross product of force and position vector will provide torque in z axis. So torque is equal to R cross F. R cross F.